Hi, and welcome to the online criminal justice program at Columbia College. As part of your coursework, you are required to find 3 articles on the topic of criminal justice. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to do that. These articles can be accessed in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Access the library's online databases. Step 2. Select a criminal justice database. Step 3. Set appropriate search parameters. And Step 4. Enter effective search terms. This video will quickly and efficiently walk you through each step. The library's homepage can be found at libguides.columbiasc.edu/library. From the library's homepage, click the Databases tab. Click the All Subjects drop-down menu and select Criminal Justice. Any of the criminal justice databases listed would be appropriate to use, but your best bets will be listed at the top. As an example, we will select Criminal Justice Abstracts with full text. Before you begin entering words in the search box, we recommend that you take a moment to properly set up your search by setting a few parameters. Potentially, there can be many such parameters to set. However, there are only 2 you need to keep in mind. 1, if you have the option to select full text, we recommend that you do so, as we have done here. Sometimes that option will simply be worded full text, in which case you would checkmark the box. 2. It's very likely that your instructor will require that you use only relevant, up-to-date articles. When looking through your list of articles, be cognizant of the article's publication date. Some databases allow you to set the publication date so that only articles within that date span are listed in the results. We recommend that if given the opportunity to set this parameter before you begin your search, that you do so. Although your instructor will have the final say, a good general rule of thumb is the last 5 years. It may be tempting to simply type in criminal justice and click search, since, after all, that's what you are required to find articles about. However, you will quickly realize that the term criminal justice is too broad. The number of results may be overwhelming and difficult to sort through. You will need to focus your search. We recommend the following strategy. Enter an additional search term by separating the 2 terms using the word "and." This will ensure that the database will retrieve articles that contain both terms, not just one or the other. But what's the best way to determine what that second search term should be? We recommend taking a moment to consider one or more of the following questions. What's in the news? What are you interested in? What topic is being covered in class? Are you currently working in law enforcement? If so, is there an aspect of your job you would like to explore? The answers to these questions will be a good start. Let's look at some sample answers and how we might plug them in. Simply take any one of your answers to these questions and enter it as the second search term. We'll use body cameras as an example. Criminal justice and body cameras. As you can see, the results are much fewer. This is because the database is retrieving results that have the terms criminal justice and body cameras within them. The result? Less guesswork for you. At this point in your search, you should be ready to begin selecting your 3 articles. Simply click on the article's title to view a detailed record of the article, or click on PDF full text to begin reading the article in its entirety. Once inside the article, there are 2 very useful features to keep in mind: the ability to email the article to yourself and the ability to generate a ready-made citation should your instructor require one. One final thing to keep in mind is, depending on which database you choose, various features such as the search interface and email and citation capabilities may work differently, and the types of articles other databases retrieve may vary somewhat. However, you should feel free to employ the same search strategy, as each database will operate in roughly the same way. We hope you have found this video tutorial helpful. Please feel free to contact a librarian with any research questions you may have. We can be reached by phone at 803-786-3703 or by email at refdesk@columbiasc.edu.